Hey guys, Michael Clark here with the BAM Weather and the Weather Portal. On this video tutorial, we are going to talk about the chat function, and I will briefly mention the long-range benefits of the Weather Portal application as well. So the chat function is essentially pretty simple. Any location that you're monitoring, you can go in and check and see what's going on. For example, International Falls, Minnesota, we have an alert here. It's a public information statement, so this one particularly shows up as unknown, but it's just talking about the snow melt and the water and some flooding issues, and it's alive and well here in that feature. What I'm going to do is scoot this up, and what you would do is go into the chat, and you would say, "Hi, I have a question." All right, this is something that is very valuable. What this can do for you is essentially help you in the decision-making process. It can help you, kind of navigate. All right, the hourly weather models are saying one thing, your forecast is saying another thing. What do we do? Do we do the job? Do we not do the job? Give us some insight. And so when we go here, ask a question, you can see Brett has replied with an answer. And you just essentially have this live kind of dialogue with a meteorologist at any time. We strongly encourage you to utilize this if you have questions. Here's the other benefit of the chat. The other benefit of this is that we will send you updates. Okay, you can see these updates we've been sending to the area. Nowcast updates that will come through this chat. In the event that you do not see something or you haven't seen a notification, make sure you go through, see how I'm holding it up and I kind of pop it and I refresh it. Swipe up and refresh it in the app if you haven't seen a discussion or a reply come through. Just hold it up, let it refresh, and you'll get the latest information there. Now, these Nowcast alerts come through to you. We send them without you asking for them. So this is a lot of value-added information in these. We encourage you to look for these and to be on the lookout for these updates. A lot of good information is sent in here, like videos, and even in this instance, this is a radar loop that gets sent, and it brings you into the browser. And you can see in this instance, we were talking about the situation here for potential thunderstorm activity. All right, so just a way for you to get additional information sent to you. When you download the app, it's important that you allow all the notifications. You hit that allow notification button. That way you're getting our custom information, because if you've watched the hour-by-hour data, it's not always perfect. And sometimes it will get it wrong. So this is where to go. This is the Bible this is the end-all be-all is the chat. What are we saying is the big thing. Okay, so make sure you're watching that. Now, for those of you who have long-range access and you're curious more about what the long-range is, well, the orange dot here means there's a new long-range video. I click on that, it'll take us to the long-range section where we can play this video. We can watch it, right? Hey, there I am again. Look at me. There's my ugly mug. But we'll have videos updated there every day, and then we also have the long-range PDF. This is where a lot of our analysis, our expert analysis goes into what we're looking at in the long-term pattern of things. There's a lot of really good information here, like our storm dates, our 3 to 7 day hazards map, observed rainfall, soil temperature forecasts, all kinds of things, primarily our week 1 and 2 temperature forecasts. And in this video, we even posted the weeks 3 and 4 outlook as well, or in this version of the update, okay? We'll also post the updated week 1 and week 2 outlooks here for you as well. Okay, these are the extended range forecast outlooks, week 2. So anytime we see -1 to 3 or +1 to 3, that's from normal. So 3 degrees below normal or 3 degrees above normal. And the extended range maps, okay, for week 3 and 4, if you see above AN, that's above normal. MAN is much above normal. And EAN is extremely above normal. The other way around, below normal, much below normal, extremely below normal, are what these acronyms will stand for, okay? And then this also goes out all the way to 2 months, and our seasonal forecast all the way down at the bottom. So that's a quick rundown of the chat function and the long-range tools here on the app. Again, I want to urge to you how important the chat function is just in reading the messages we send to you. If we're sending you something we feel you need to know, it's necessary. And if you have questions, you can hit that button and talk to us at any time. So I hope this helps you understand what the chat button is there for a little bit better. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.